couple weeks ago we had really heavy winds, like 55 miles an hour, and lo and behold, when I left for work in the morning, there was this huge tree and an annoying neighbor's dog across my driveway. I really didn't know what to do. This has happened 6 times before. It's not an unusual occurrence, except my husband was in Canada, kid's not home, and yes, we have a chainsaw, but either I don't have a long enough pull with my arm, or I don't have enough strength, or I'm just uncoordinated, but I cannot get our chainsaw to work. So my son said, "Hey Mom, you're a prepper. I mean, you like to be prepared for everything. You got to come up with a solution." So this is what I did. Okay, so it's cut all the way through. This piece can be moved now. Worked pretty neat, huh? Can't help but thinking about Evil Dead when I use this, however. But anyway, it's a battery saw. This is the Stihl MSA 200C-BQ battery operated chainsaw. So it only weighs 11 pounds with the battery, and it has a 14-inch blade, I believe. And the runtime with this extended battery is up to 45 minutes. So pretty impressive. So you just have to put this lever up and push this and hold that, and it works. It's only 11 pounds. So it's definitely someone who is a weak link like myself can use. And as long as I keep that battery charged, you don't want to keep it in here, it will work just fine. So I'm very happy with this purchase, although it was very expensive. It was about $600 because you buy the saw, then you have to buy the ion battery, and then you have to buy the charger. Yeah, they're all sold separate. But you know what? If it's $600 and I actually never have to use it, it's worth it for all the hassle we've had with the trees falling in the driveway. So, this is Prepper Potpourri saying, please subscribe, share the knowledge, hit that little bell beneath my video if you want to receive notifications, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye.